Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add animated text to your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now sadly, Squarespace itself does not allow for text animations. They do not have them as of yet. So as of version 7.1, they are still not available. However, there is a way in which you can add animated text, and that is through CSS or Cascade style sheets. That is pretty much a language used to format HTML code and make whatever you're trying to display look different, look better. And the way that you can do this is by going into your pages menu on your website. Then go ahead and click on website tools under utilities, then click on custom CSS, and then here you can code your text to look however you want. Now I'll copy or rather paste some code I've found on the internet. But yeah, as you can see here, you can see the text or the code that I am using. Click save, and that should work. Now, I'm not sure exactly where on the page it did it, or rather there is a syntax error, so I do regretfully, well, I can't really show you guys how that is done since I don't know why this is showing an error, or rather I think I know why. That's why. So click save. That should be it. There shouldn't be a syntax error anymore. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not sure exactly where on the page it placed it again, so I would recommend you figure out how to code CSS yourself. But that is pretty much the proof of concept that you need and the thing that you need to do to add animated text. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.